Secure microcloud, iBRESS. The advent of the Internet of Things has made the Internet indispensable to our lives. We offer iBRESS, a real-time cloud-based monitoring service optimized for the IoT age. It allows you to gather various data from various places and to use them efficiently. You can use iBRESS to monitor unattended wind power stations or data in manufacturing plants, buildings, and offices. If you want to monitor pump facilities at dispersed locations, their data such as water levels and volumes can be transmitted to iBRESS. By accessing iBRESS, you can see the situation at remote locations right from your office in real time. Data stored via iBRESS can also be analyzed to implement preventive maintenance. iBRESS offers you a highly reliable security system containing a firewall and DMZ. Since the system uses push communications, the customer's site remains invisible. Our iBRESS system serves as infrastructure for Industry 4.0. It's easy to deploy iBRESS, so try this cloud system available worldwide.